Number 7, lot F110 is a 1967 Oldsmobile 442 convertible, and it bid to $40,000 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 60,063 miles. And exterior color is black, interior color is black. And highlights are triple black color combination, 455 cubic inch V8 engine, turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, electric windows, power operated convertible top, functional air conditioning, bucket seats with center console, and super stock 2 wheels with 14-inch Firestone Redline tires. And it was a nice car. Potentially having a 455 would actually make it quicker, but it also takes away from originality, so that could be part of the reason why it didn't sell. But it was a nice car with some nice options, especially being triple black and having power windows. It was definitely a nice one, but that probably was the money for it, $40,000. But I guess it wasn't enough for the seller, so he took her home. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.